Have you ever seen that video of that guy on the street asking people if they want $1 million or $10 million and tells them that he'll give them that? But the catch is that they don't wake up tomorrow and nobody accepts the money. And I think that this points to something really beautiful about our human nature is that there is no dollar sign that is more valuable than our life. The idea of waking up tomorrow is more precious than $10 million. What good is $10 million if you don't wake up tomorrow? How good could you possibly live today that you would just be okay dying tomorrow? There is no dollar sign on it. And this points to something really important in that if you lived every day like that, like, man, yesterday I turned down $10 million to live today. What would you do? Who would you call? What would you say? Where would you go to live your best life?